in an economy driven by opportunities and financial freedom. There is a platform that empowers individuals to take control of their investments and secure their financial future. Welcome to sashares, your ultimate destination for accessing the South African stock market and exploring the exciting world of Forex and cryptocurrency trading. At sashares, we believe in the power of knowledge and the potential of the stock market and Forex trading. Our platform is your gateway to the thrilling world of finance, where every decision holds the key to your financial success. With sashares, you will have access to the most comprehensive and up-to-date information on the South African stock market. From established giants to promising startups, we provide a wealth of opportunities to invest and grow your portfolio. But that's not all. sashares is your passport to the dynamic world of Forex trading. Explore the global currency market where fortunes are made in every heartbeat. Gain insights into major currency pairs, analyze market trends, and unlock potential profits without guidance. We provide in-depth reviews and articles to help you make the best decisions for your trading needs. From the top best broker reviews, best Forex trading platforms, to how to buy shares, our user-friendly interface, real-time market data, and powerful research tools empowers you to make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner taking your first steps. However, sashares is more than just a platform. We are a vibrant community of traders and investors united by a passion for financial growth. Share your experiences, learn from experts, and connect with like-minded individuals who share your drive for success. sashares provides a rich collection of articles and resources aimed at empowering investors and traders within South Africa and beyond. Our platform's article section is a treasure trove of valuable insights, market analysis, and educational content. These articles cover a diverse range of topics, including stock market trends, investment strategies, portfolio management, and updates on local and global economic events. We also provide a mobile application, which is a game changer for traders and investors in South Africa, available on the Google Play and Apple App Store. This user-friendly application empowers individuals to access and analyze real-time market data, enabling you to make informed investment decisions right from your fingertips. Whether you are interested in tracking individual stocks, monitoring indices, or studying market sectors, our graphs and charts offer a wealth of data wherever you are. Join the sashares community today and unlock a world of opportunities in Forex trading and the South African stock market. Whether you are seeking to diversify your portfolio, explore new investment avenues, or simply stay informed, sashares is here to support your financial growth and success. sashares, your gateway to the most comprehensive and up-to-date information on all things finance.